My name is Eric French and I'm the engineering co-op here at Stockwell Elastomerics, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about gasket tape. Gasket tape is Stockwell Elastomerics' family of silicone foam and sponge materials provided with adhesive backings and slit to your specified width for easy to install gaskets. They are typically installed on enclosures to prevent dust, air, and weather intrusion. Many sizes and types are made up, so we can slit only a few at a time to easily get you started. Products from hardware stores or catalogs are often made from blended neoprene. This material takes a set and doesn't offer the temperature resistance that silicone does. Stockwell gasket tapes are made from high-performance silicone elastomeric materials that offer broad temperature ranges, age resistance, and flame retardant properties. They are often designed to last quite a long time, often many years longer than blended neoprene products. Here's two examples of materials we can use for gasket tape products. Here is an open cell BF1000 material, and here is a closed cell HT800 silicone foam product. Silicone sponge is more rugged, offering better tensile and tear properties. Silicone foam and sponge gasket tape products come with acrylic or silicone adhesives. Acrylic adhesives have higher peel strength properties than silicone adhesives. However, silicone adhesives have a higher temp range, ranging all the way up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Silicone adhesives don't have as long of a shelf life as acrylic adhesives do, however. Unsupported acrylic transfer adhesives are typically stronger with higher adhesion levels than film-supported adhesives. They can be installed with tight curves to make a rounded corner. Some installation skill is needed though. Unsupported transfer film adhesives also wet out for better bonding to rough surfaces. Film-supported acrylic adhesives are dimensionally stable for ease of installation. However, it is difficult to apply in a curvature as the PET film will not stretch. Further, the film support prevents wetting out on rough surfaces. Our DP1001 film-supported silicone adhesive was developed to extend shelf life and offer higher adhesive values. The adhesive has a polyimide film support, which you can see in its amber color when peeled back, that allows dimensional stability as well as prevents weeping into the material, which helps the shelf life issue with silicone adhesives. We currently have 6 standard product types in the gasket tape family. They are available in standard roll lengths and can be slit to your specified width. Since these are already made up, they can often be available to you in just a few days. Frequently, customers come to Stockwell with specific needs for gasket tape, whether it's a different length to improve installation yield, or it's one of our other silicone sponge or foam materials that we offer with a different adhesive backing. Sometimes these adhesive backings are necessary, such as low surface energy adhesives, to apply to different types of surfaces, such as powder-coated aluminum housings. Custom order combinations of adhesives, silicone foams, and silicone sponges are common here at Stockwell. We can provide whatever the full yield is from a standard 34-inch roll width. Please feel free to visit Stockwell Elastomerics' website for additional information, a touch brochure like you see here, or free material samples. Let us know how we can help. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something about the gasket tape product line.